base is 13 inches by 2.5. So this should do. So we'll pick up one of these. Ouch. $14 for a plastic tub. 16 by 11.5 by 7. $2. Cool. Okay, so it's 7:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to start by doing some warm water, hydrogen peroxide. No bags, just soaking it. This one's going to be out in the sun. Here we are. This one's just in the sun. This one's in warm water. And to it, I'm just going to add some hydrogen peroxide. Trying to keep the bubbles down to a minimum, because if I get them underneath, this thing floats. So hopefully that will work. Now, I did buy 2 bottles, so I'm going to use both. Okay, I'm not putting the lid on it because it doesn't allow light through. So it's 7. What time is it? 7:40 a.m. 7:41 a.m. And I'm not going to time lapse this, so I will check on this. Well, later on we'll check in and make sure that thing doesn't start floating. I had to wiggle all the air out. Now they do have fans in them. They're epoxied in the bottom. There's nothing I can do about that. I don't think they work anyway. So let's see what happens. Sunbright versus retro. 9:17. Water is at 93 degrees. 93.5 degrees. A little bit of bubbles. The sun's not over top of everything yet. Will be shortly. Bugs are getting in the water. Guess that's why it gets covered up. But for now, we're just leaving this. It is now 12:10 p.m. Prime sunlight time. Several times I have had to come out and knock the bubbles that keep appearing off of this. Just in the sun, I can't really see any changes right now because we're out in the bright light. Notice a lot of bugs getting in there, but they're floating on the top. Let's see the temperature. Temperature on the deck is 136 degrees. Temperature in the water, about 98. 104. Temperature down low is about 107 near the unit. As I get up higher, 102. The deck temperature, man, woo, it's crazy. Fahrenheit. 140 degrees, 142. Yep, temperature of this plastic is 129 in the direct sun, 134. Time is 3 p.m. Max. The sun line is almost to the tank. We will check it in about an hour when the line creeps up and we're out of sun. What do you think? Huh? Alright. Check back in an hour. Okay, so it's a little bit after 3 p.m. We're going to check the temperature on the deck. We've been holding it 140, 135 to 140. The water temperature on the top is 100 degrees. The water temperature on the bottom is around 110 to 115. The plastic temperature is 126, 132. My head out of the way. About 126 to 100-ish, 30 degrees. Let's say between 120 and 130 because it varies. So we're almost out of sunlight, and then we'll clean this up. I can already see a difference in that thing. It was so yellow and now it's not. But I have to keep getting the bubbles off of it because the hydrogen peroxide ups the hydrogen in the water. So we'll see. Alright, so it's about time. This one is pretty much done. This one I'm going to remove and rinse off with just some water. I'm going to cap this off because I'm going to use this for something tomorrow. And we're just going to rinse this off with just some water to neutralize the hydrogen peroxide because it likes to make the deck really white. And I can tell a difference already. This one's probably the better one of the two. Excuse the background noises. It's windy out. Alright. So right off the bat, we can see this one looks a hell of a lot better in hydrogen peroxide. So while sun does work, I don't know about the brittleness factor of this, but great. I didn't coat or rub anything. It was literally pour it in there and let it sit in the sun all day in warm water and let the sun heat it up. So let's go inside and do a comparison. So we're in. They've been rinsed, dried. This one was never rinsed. It was just warm. It's still warm from being outside in the sun, but clearly the winner is hydrogen peroxide and water and just letting it soak, shaking off the bubbles. This unit, as you can see in this photo here, was the original. I tried to take a photo before, and this is the afterwards. I'll grab a still shot out of here and we'll do a couple comparison contrasts. But this is its basically second time in the sun. The total time was about just shy of 8 hours in the sun. It's 3:30 p.m. right now. And I put them out there quite early and just let them sit all day. If you're going to do this and you have small things like keys or something, maybe stick them in a plastic bag that has holes in it. You're going to get a lot of oxygen buildup just from the natural process of hydrogen peroxide. It's going to bubble all over. If you don't bang it off, it could cause some little spots or freckling on the plastic if you don't knock them off. But I don't know the long-term effects of the brittleness of this versus the just sitting it out in the sun on this one. This one was hot all day. This one was just soaking in hydrogen peroxide and water. I did not smear anything. You saw what I did, stuck it in there. So the verdict is in for me. This one is definitely brighter and more to the original color. While this one is not as yellow, it really looks yellow compared to this one, which looks like the original bone whitish color. This one really looks yellow, and it didn't look so bad next to the other one before. It looked like this was great. So guess what's going in? We're going to tank the Amiga 500 and the keyboard and all that good stuff. I saved the peroxide. It's still sitting out on the deck, and stay tuned for that. So thank you for watching. Have a good one.